Let's see what story this pot has to tell us.
You want to see the lobster?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Is it alive?
They should be.
Did it pinch more than the crab?
Well, these have been on ice, so they shouldn't pinch too much. But
Can I touch it?
you know, well, yeah. We'll go just take off the thing. See? There's one.
Can I take the top?
Yeah. Well, because they have they're not going to pinch you because they have like
Yeah, but what are those real claws for?
Okay, here we go.
Ah!
And then we'll take off the rubber band.
Touch it first. Daddy?
What? Oh yeah, touch it. Go ahead. You touch it. See?
Ah! Can I touch this part? Scary. You gotta do this.
Mhm.
Don't do that.
Okay. Okay.
I dropped it on.
I'm just gonna take off these.
Okay, where is the... Would I cut it? Just cut it.
No, I'm good.
Can I get
Ouch!
Can I get
Ouch!
Can I get this? Can I touch the butt of it?
Yeah. But watch out, because I'm gonna take this one off once I take this.
Ah! You scared me.
Watch that guy.
Oh, Daddy! I'm gonna pinch you.
No, pinch me.
Yes, you will.
No. They've been on ice for a long time.
Ah! Where's that rubber band? Can you get the rubber band on him?
Yeah.
Drinking the rubber band. Got red rubber bands. Yeah, the clean out.
So we call this one red rubber and that one white.
Yeah, I like the white one the best. It's my favorite color. Hey!
Okay, here we go.
Do it again in it. Throw it at me. Why is this claw always the fattest?
Okay. Can someone turn on the water? I'm gonna rinse them off. Okay. Rinse them off.
Ew, Daddy, you might get all the drips all over the...
No, that's okay.
All over the...
It's okay. Okay, here, ready?
Clean, Daddy.
No, it's okay. Don't worry.
Yeah, right.
Okay, ready?
It's gonna taste like cheese something too.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Or should maybe I'll okay, let's see. Okay, ready?
Go. I can see the antennas.
Okay.
Yeah.